Hello, this is Nick with Clark County Plumbing and Drain. I'm at job site address 3253 L Street in Washougal, Washington. I've gained access through a 4-inch cleanout in the driveway. I've pushed upstream as far as I could push into the house. And this is a reverse video inspection. I'm going to start my inspection now. It appears we are in 4-inch ABS. Here we transition into a very small section of cast iron. And here we are back in the ABS. That connection there, I believe, is the new shop bathroom. I will confirm that. It's water running down to somebody using something in the house. I'll wait for this water to pass.
Yeah, and it probably would. It's just that it's well, again, I think, determining how much we want to put into the app. What do we
And here I am back to clean out. I'm going to push out to the city main, the downstream side of this clean out. Some minor belly here. Still in ABS. Here I appear to be in what looks like 3034. I've pushed out as far as my camera will go at approximately 72 feet. And that was just a belly with some toilet paper and stuff in it. I'm going to pull back a little bit. Sorry for the long video. Just want to confirm that everything's good in this pipe. Here we get into this belly that I was just talking about. Here we are on the back side of it. Just a minor belly there. Keep pulling back. Minor belly we've seen earlier. I'm just going to pull back to this clean out. And here I am back to clean out, and this concludes my video inspection.